Hi guys, there is this comfort fabric conditioner. In this video I'm going to show you its review and demo. This 210 ml bottle has MRP of ₹60. First and foremost, this is not the replacement of your detergent powder. You wash your clothes with regular detergent and then use it. So how are we going to use it? If we are washing clothes by hand, add half a cup of comfort fabric conditioner. By cup, I mean the cap of this bottle. After washing your clothes, take 5 liters of water and pour half a cup of comfort and soak washed clothes in this for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, remove clothes and dry. Make sure that you do not rinse clothes in water after using comfort. And in some fully automatic washing machine, they have the softener compartment separately, so you can pour it there. In case if your washing machine doesn't have the softener compartment, you do it like me. During last rinse cycle, pour 1 cup of comfort and you are good. So for bucket wash, it's half a cap, and for machine wash, it is 1 cap. And what does this fabric conditioner does? Actually, what happens is after repeated washing, our clothes become dull and rough. And this actually add back what detergent take away from the clothes during washing cycle. It has this fresh and flowery fragrance which smell perfect on the clothes, and it is long lasting. I mean, your clothes will remain fragrant up to the next washing cycle. It's a must use product during winters and monsoon when we get that typical dampened smell and fragrance spread in the washing area as well. It's a good product for your expensive clothes, and you get from 200 ml to 2 liter packaging options to choose from in this, and instructions are very well explained on the bottle itself. I didn't notice much of the conditioning effect as the brand claims, but if you love the fresh fragrance on your clothes, then go for it, and extra care for your clothes is always good. So give it a try and subscribe for more.